Today we are diving into a crucial concept in probability, the relative frequency approach. Whether you are a budding data scientist or just curious about the foundations of probability, this lecture is for you. I am Bindeshwar from PostNetwork Academy, and this is a part of the Data Science and AI lecture series by PostNetwork Academy. So let's get started. So in general, if x is a variable having the values x1, x2, xn with frequencies f1, f2, f3 till fn, then f1 upon summation of all frequencies, f2 upon summation of all frequencies till fn upon summation of all frequency are the relative frequencies of x1, x2 till xn, and hence the probabilities of x taking the values x1, x2 till xn. Now you will understand using some examples. So here is the table and it shows age distribution of 100 couples. So age of husband and age of wife. Now probability of age wife says between 20 to 50. So we will take all the frequencies and we will add, and thereafter total 100 you can say that. So if you add frequency, so there are total 100. So just you will get probability 0.82. The same way probability of age between 20 to 40. So age husband's age between 35 to 45, that would be, you can see that there are two uh, instances, 10 and 15, ages from 35 to 45, and the same way from 20 to 40 wives age. So there are only two. So probability would be 10 plus 15 upon 100, that would be 0.25. Now let us see students' ages. So distribution of 15 students. So ages are given and frequencies are given, and relative frequency you can say that. So frequency upon total frequency is called relative frequency, and probability of age divisible by 3, that is you can see that 15, 18 and 21. So you can see that frequency is 1 for 15, frequency is 1 for 18 and frequency is 1 for 21. So probability would be 1 plus 1 plus 1 upon 15, and that will come 0.2. Let us see the second one, probability of age greater than 16. So you can see that 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. And if I take frequencies, so 3 plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 1 upon 15, and that will come 0.667. Let us see probability of age greater than or equal to 18. So you can see that 1, 2, 3 and 1. You will add them all and you will divide it by 15, and that will come 0.4667. Let us see another example, tire durability and distance covered by tires. So you can say that less than 4000, frequency 20, and others classes are distributed. So probability of 4000 to 1 kilometer, greater than 1 kilometer, that would be 100 plus 200 plus 1500 plus 180 and upon 2000, that would be 0.99. So most of the tires are you can say that they have run more than 4000 kilometers. Second one, probability less than 20,000. So you can see that three frequencies, 20 plus 100 plus 200 upon 2000, and that will come 0.16. Third one, probability greater than 20 kilometers, and that two frequency you can see that 1500 plus 180 upon 2000, that will come 0.84. Last one, probability between 10,000 to 40,000, that will, you can see that 200 plus 1500 upon 2000, and that will come 0.85. So hope you have understood another approach of frequency of probability definition, that relative frequency approach. And I have explained three examples. And the next approach is axiomatic, that combines all approaches I will discuss. For more resources like PDF, quizzes and videos, you can visit www.postnetwork.co. For videos and playlist, you can visit YouTube channel. For a post and videos, you can visit Facebook page. You can also connect to PostNetwork Academy LinkedIn page. So hope you understood the concept. Thanks for watching the video.